Hi guys, this is Arfan Rawal once again. Today I am here because I have gone through an incident by today as well. I was traveling in a metros and all of a sudden I got to know about that there was some people, there were influx of people, they were communicating to each other in English, and they were communicating to each other, and there was some discussing something important or whatever they were discussing. I was also just look at them and I was listening to them. What are they talking about and how do they talk? There was influx of people and there was some different group as well, and there were some people sitting around them as well and just beside them. So I was just looking at both the groups and they were just talking to each other, but I found one group who were communicating to each other in English. They were communicating in a good way, but I found them very having a very fixed mindset. I found them very they were, the way they were talking to each other and the way they were looking at that different group who were sitting beside them. I found them having very fixed mindset. They were an impulsive, what I felt and what I would love to give the title to them, that if somebody does not know how to speak in English, what is wrong in this? What's wrong in this? Let me tell you people, if I do not know how to talk in English, if somebody doesn't know how to talk in English, that's fine. English is just a language. Somebody knows Punjabi well, somebody knows Bhojpuri well, somebody knows Marathi well, somebody knows Hindi well, somebody knows English well. If you know English well, that does not mean that it's wow and it's very big. So what I have found, people, there are some people who are having fixed mindset, and they are consisting an English language as a status. If I am not wrong, you have listened correctly, that there are some people who are impulsive, who are stereotype, that they consist an English language is as status. If you know English well, if you know how to communicate with the people in English, that means that shows your status. How foolish people are. I was laughing at them. I didn't say anything because I didn't make any remark regarding them. I was just observing them. I didn't say anything. But what I have felt was, it was just, how can people treat in this way? And how can people consist speaking a language is a status? How can it be a status, man? Come on. I was laughing as well. I have seen people even. It is a reality of our society. It's not fact, but it's reality. I have also been through. I have also gone through this experience that if you talk in English, if you communicate with the people in English, people will start judging you. People will put you at the top. People will relate your communication skill to the status, which is absolutely wrong. People should not relate your communication skill with your status. I have seen people who do not have good financial status, who are not living in 5-star hotel, who are not having good affluent life. However, they speak well. Although they are not having very luxurious life. So how will you judge that particular person? How will you relate in communication skill with the status? I would request you people, whosoever is watching my video, kindly get out of the way of this impulsive mindset. Please. If I know English well, that doesn't mean it is my status. If somebody knows Hindi well, that doesn't mean that is his status or her status. It is just a language. It is not at all status. If you know well English, if you speak well, if you communicate with the people well, that doesn't mean it is your status. It is just a language, and consider it as a language, people. Please, I request you guys. I hope whoever is watching my video, they must not be consisting a communication skill as a status. Please get out of the way of being an impulsive, being a stereotype. That is speaking English is just a status, not at all. I am telling you guys, it is just a myth. It is just a wrong misconception of the society. People who are living in our society, they relate and they compare that if somebody speaks well, if somebody makes remarks in English, if somebody puts opinion in English, if somebody communicate in English with the people, that means that's his or her status. That is absolutely wrong. So I was not in a mood to make video on this particular topic, but I have been through and I have been observing people to relate your communication skill with the status, which is absolutely incorrect. And please, I would request you guys to kindly get out of the way of being an impulsive and stereotype to judge people as for the communication skill, as if somebody speaks English well. It is just a language. And people, why do people speak English? Why do youths get an interest to speak English? Just because English is a global language. English is a business language. That is what people speak. English is spoken all around the world just because of business purpose, just because of getting a job. If you know English well, you will get the job. That is it. That cannot be your status. And I have made video on the same, that if you are having some MTI issue, or if you do not speak well if you do not communicate in English, you will not be able to get the job in any company, private company. So that should not be also there. If you are skilled, you should get the job. People should give priority to Hindi as well. People should not there should not be any foundation of having a good communication skill. I hope you people are getting it, and I was obliged, to be honest, let me tell you people, that I was obliged to talk about and to make video on this language of English. It is just a language. I repeat, English is just a language. It is not at all a status. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you people must like it, and please, if you like the content, please subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and get it subscribed by your friend. Thank you so much. I will be coming back with the next content that will for sure help you out in order to achieve success, in order to make happen your short term and long term, whatever you're looking for. Thank you. Bye bye.